Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Little short video. I helped somebody do this today and they're questioning how I moved the letters out and then back in the exact same position. Well, this thing is 40 inches wide with nothing selected. I set my nudge factor on 50 inches and I'm going to bring in an online keyboard and I am going to ungroup it. And I'm going to grab that C and I'm going to move it over with the right arrow key. See, it's way over there. I can actually use this on board. I don't have to. I can use my arrow keys on the deal. So I straighten this up. And then when I'm ready, all I have to do is nudge it exactly back. And that's one of the reasons you want your duplicate distance on 0, 0 in case you want to make a duplicate. It would be in the exact same spot. Like if I wanted to make a duplicate of that C, I could go Control D and move it over, mess with it, and make it a different color even, and then I could nudge it right back to the exact same place. A lot of people send me files and the default is 0.25 by, so it's a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. So if you make a duplicate of that, it moved it a 1/4 inch out of the placement. You can't really tell. We'll make that one red and you can see the black one behind it. It's because it was duplicated. So set your nudge factor on 0 or your duplicate distance on 0, 0. And then when you Control D, you can move it and look at that. It's right on top of that other one. Anyway, hope that helped him and somebody in the future, and thank you for watching.